Surprise! Dairy Queen Strawberry Cheesecake review. Blizzard review thing. Ugh. So it's now $35.99. There's like a new owners took over X amount of months ago. So anyways, because the last time I had cheesecake thing, the strawberry in the middles were like rock hard. Couldn't even cut through it, wait for it to defrost, and it's like melted, and I didn't like that experience. But since it's new owners and it looks different from the last time I had strawberry cheesecake, Blizzard strawberry cheesecake, or the fuck you want to call it, I was like, you know what, yeah, it's more expensive, but why not get it again? So that's what it looks like. I haven't had it yet, but I was able to cut through it without a problem. So let's taste the top here. It's cream. Yep. And it's got, of course, the strawberry sauce. Not sauce, but you got like chocolate sauce, but strawberry. I forget what it's called. And that cheesecake thing on top. And the cheesecake thing on top is soft. Vanilla. It tastes of strawberry. There's even bits of strawberry in the top part, or cheese taking the top part. No talkie. So you can see there, strawberry in the center, but even there's to be strawberry even in the top part. Or maybe there's also like cheesecake pieces too. So it's either a strawberry piece or like a cheesecake piece on top, strawberry in the center, and fill in the vanilla on the bottom. I like it. Like last time when I had this last year, I liked it just because it's so rock hard in the middle that couldn't really eat the top and the bottom. So I watched an Avatar movie because I did a review of this last year. I watched Avatar. It was like when there's like 20 minutes left in that 2 hour and something movie. Finally, the strawberry in the middle was soft enough to like get through it, but then everything else like goddamn melted. So this is an improvement. Of course, like I said at the time, I'm pretty sure I said at the time that could have been a one-off. Maybe it was deep in the freezer, and then I got moved out front, so it's like rock solid, hard, frozen. I don't know, but yeah. Like I like eating. My own criticism of this as well. I like eating, like strawberry blizzard or whatever, like little pieces of strawberry is fine. I'm not a fan of the center of it being these like large chunks of strawberry though. I mean, it's like too much frozen strawberry to eat, because eating little chunks of frozen strawberry is fine, like strawberry ice cream, little bits of strawberry. But like big chunks of frozen strawberry, when you buy frozen strawberries, if you do buy it, do you like bite into a chunk? No. So I think the middle, I don't know if you did like the fudge cookie thing would be a good combination for this. Probably not. But if they had cheesecake thing in the middle, then the entire middle part was cheesecake, and then the top part was just strawberry bits. So you would move the cheesecake bits in the top for just strawberry, and then the middle of the cake would just be cheesecake bits. I think this would be better then. So that's my own criticisms of chunks of strawberry. Okay, DQ sandwich. I've seen these in the past. I'm like, is it gonna be any good? I see the size of it. Like, I imagine the top would be soft, and there's like, because for me personally, I'm not as soft. I like it when it's hard. The crust part is hard. Like, I always think to Chaplin's Neapolitan ice cream sandwiches, because when I first had them, because they were really, really cold, rock hard cold, and I got them, bought them from the store, and I bite into it. I was like, oh, I like this because the top is crunchy or hard. And then of course after it starts to defrost a bit, the top gets soft. I'm like, yeah, because I like it hard. And normal price of these, so there's 12 of them. Normal price is $17.99. Holy shit for a 12 pack. But it was 30% off, so I saved $5.40, so $12.59. And when I pick it out, it's like, ugh, well, this is depressing. This looks like this is a lot smaller than. It's always one of those things of packaging where the food doesn't look like hamburgers, like on TV, buy this Big Mac, but then when you get it, it can be kind of flattened and this and that. So this is all this flattened. That's disappointing. It's got like calories and shit on the back. So let's take this out. Ugh, come on. This is what it looks like. This. So it's like this. I don't know. It really represents. See, this looks bigger on camera than it does in person. Because in person, it's really flat and small compared to how you see it on the box. So I'll take a bite of it. And the top is kind of firm. So I like that, but the ice cream for it though, I don't really care for. I don't know, when I'm looking at it and I kind of tasting it, kind of thinking like, like an Oreo cookie, but it's like cream, like frozen cream, but it doesn't taste like frozen cream, but it doesn't. What's the ingredients? Vanilla flavored. Yeah, ingredients. Vanilla flavored ice milk. Vanilla flavored ice milk. Because that would explain why it doesn't taste like vanilla ice cream to me, but it's like a different type of taste. So I guess that explains it. Vanilla flavored ice milk. Delicious. Yeah. I mean, and that aftertaste, it must be from the cookie part. That aftertaste, like a little, can't really explain. Like, yeah, I don't like that. The first bite into it, I eat it, it's like, yeah. I mean, not much ice cream, but I guess it's okay. And then when I'm done, it's all swallowed. There's like this aftertaste to it. I can't explain the aftertaste to it. It just makes me go, no. For the normal price is for $18. For 12 of these, no fucking way. Discounted price, 30% off, so $12.59, so $12.60 for 12 of these. So one of these dinky little things you're paying over $1 for. Would I pay $1 something for something so small and dinky? Fuck no. I wouldn't do that. You can get like those Oreo ice cream sandwiches and stuff like that. Like a box of 4. What's the normal price? $4.99? Maybe someplace it's 5 something. Sometimes you can get on sale for, like, I've seen it sell for like $2 or $2.50. So getting those bigger ice cream sandwiches is a way better deal than these dinky little things with some aftertaste. And vanilla flavored ice milk. So I'm never buying these ever again. Fuck that. Buster Bar treat. Artificially flavored vanilla ice milk with peanuts and thick fudge ice milk. See, these didn't have the vanilla here, the ice milk. Sounds delicious. Ice milk tasted better than that sandwich there, that pathetic ice cream sandwich. Now what I thought here was I had a dilly bar, but there was 2 different sections. There was like boxes on one row of these and boxes on the bottom row. So when I got this, I thought I was getting this, a dilly bar, but I guess what I actually got was a Buster Bar, because it says Buster Bar, because the boxes are the same. But they've got this, because what's in here does not look like this at all. So I thought I was getting this. So maybe a dilly bar is something that doesn't have peanuts on it or something. I don't know, but whatever. And the price of, oh, this is the wrong receipt. And the price for 6 of these is $12.89. So you're paying over $2 and something cents. Over $2 and something cents. Now, $2 and something cents for one of these little thin looking things? Fuck no. But what's inside is this. So I didn't expect this. And unlike the other thing, which was a surprise in a disappointing way, this was a surprise in a good way. Because this actually tastes good. Still not sure about the whole... God damn it. Yeah, well, it's a little melted, cracked on that side, but... Because this is... Like, when it says ice milk flavor, like, ew, gross. Because, you know, it's Dairy Queen, so it should be high quality ice cream, not ice milk, vanilla flavored. Which, that DQ sandwich definitely had that thing, but in here, it didn't look like how that vanilla ice milk looked like. And this has got peanuts, and it's got caramel, and I like it. But for $2 something for this, if it was high quality ice cream, like, I don't know, I like it enough where if it's on for sale, I'll just certainly buy it. Or if it's been a while, I've had it, sure. But generally speaking, is this something I just want to get for $2 something for this? I'd want something more for $2 something. Especially if it's not vanilla ice milk. Yucky. I don't know. Maybe because there's more vanilla ice milk. Maybe it's the chocolate that's covering it up. Or this vanilla stuff. Ice cream, ice milk shit tastes better than that DQ thing. So, I think this Buster Bar tastes good. Has peanuts and chocolate and caramel. But the price, for sure, when these go on sale, at full regular price for $2 something. If I got money to burn, it's been a while, sure, but generally speaking, no. But I do like it. But as for those ice cream sandwiches, I'm never going to buy again, even if they're 50% off. Like, for me to buy those ice cream sandwiches again, it would have to be at a different location, because who knows? And it has to be like a year or two down the line, and it's got to be at least like 50% off. So, I don't know if it was like $6 for 12 of those. $6 for those 12 dinky sandwiches, because maybe I got a bad box. Maybe normally they're not supposed to be dinky, or maybe it's the location where I got it at, or I don't know. Although I assume they get this shipped from head office or whatever they manufacture this shit. It's not the local place that makes them, but still. So, I'm not opposed to ever buying anything I don't like in the future. It just has to be like years down the line, and it has to be like on sale. And I'd be like, what exactly does this taste like again? Something like that. So that's my DQ review of those 3 different things. I also want to add that, oh, what the fuck is it called? Bar thing I just had. The first time I had it, I thought it was good. The next time I had it, it didn't taste as good. Now I've had another one, it tastes less. The more times I have it, I've got one left. The less good it tastes. I can now actually taste more of that, before I guess it was just masked, but that vanilla milk water crap and stuff. The peanuts, sometimes they're whole, sometimes they're not. And sometimes they've got like, you know, peanuts, and they've got like that peanut skin on them. So it has like that skin. So if you don't like peanut skin, never like to eat it. Sometimes it's got that in the ice creams at the bottom of it. For $2 and something, whatever it comes out to, I wouldn't buy it at that price. If it was like a Haagen-Dazs thing, like you got this rich flavored vanilla ice cream with best type of chocolate coating with the best type of nuts. Well, can you really make nuts be better than what they are? And then I don't know, like maybe salt caramel, like really good caramel. Maybe it's like a salty caramel or something, but just whatever, really good caramel for two something. For Haagen-Dazs, sure, but for that with the milk water, I wouldn't pay full price for $2 and that. If it's on sale, yeah, I like it. I still like it, but not at $2 and something. So it has to be like on sale.